What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. It's your little Bubba 42 here, boy. And I actually think that I have enough for in Madden Mobile. I'm going to be playing Madden Mobile today. I don't even know how that happened, but I'm like a pig, you know? Okay, sorry, my nose is kind of clogged. I actually think I have enough to get an elite player. I don't know if I do, but let's just see. Look at that. See if I get someone good. Alright, so I'm gonna close my eyes. Hope I clicked on the right thing. Oh, I didn't even click on it yet. Oh. Man, kind of boring, but I don't have an elite offensive line. Just wait for the next time. And then I'm gonna be screaming. Oh, I have a good offensive line. All of them are 80 or over. Oh, my brother's trapped in the room. That'll be fine. Okay, I'm back. My brother always goes into a random room and shuts the door. Anyways, like I said, I have a pretty good O-line. Let me just sell this dude. Might as well just sell him. Yeah, I'm gonna sell him. Only 65 speed? Jesus Christ. Okay, this guy has 62. Oh wow, but he has 9. Okay, defense. I got Josh Norman in a pro pack. And I got KJ Wright in a premium pack. I just bought rolled on. I'm gonna sell him. So that was pretty much the video for all you guys.